Hello friends, welcome back to our channel SJ Lifestyle. So today we are going to discuss about a immunity tea which will boost our immune system and makes free from a cold, cough, sneezing, and this will give us more health benefits. So we'll start up with the video. Let's get started. The ingredients which you require is pepper, cumin seeds, cinnamon and cloves, turmeric, jaggery. We can use a brown sugar also, a piece of ginger, lemon. So first we need to crush all these ingredients together. If we have this tea twice a day or thrice a day, will improve our immune system, and this will be very helping in most of the things like cough, cold, sneezing and throat itching. So these all things will be cured. So first we need to add some water into a pan, add all those crushed ingredients, turmeric powder, jaggery, including betel leaf, tulsi leaf. With this we are going to add Mexican mint. So these all will be available in our home itself, and the leaves will be also available. So first let it boil for 4 to 5 minutes. Let it boil nicely. So if you don't have a time of making the tea twice a day, at least in the morning itself you can prepare it, store it in a flask. You can have twice a day or thrice a day. So done. So next we'll filter the tea. Already we have added jaggery. If you require, we can add honey also. I'm going to add a spoon of honey. Mix it. Lemon juice. Mix well. Add the lemon juice when you serve the tea. Before you serve, add it. That's it. The tea is ready now, ready to serve. So the tea is very simple and easy. In this time, this is very important. Ingredients also available. You can do it on yourself. So drink this tea twice a day or thrice a day. This will help a lot, and these ingredients are having much health benefits. That's it. I think you will like this. This tea will be giving you more health benefits. Stay safe, stay home, take care, bye bye.